Hello, welcome back to the channel. You can see by the intro that my dad passed away a little while back in October 2024, so you can forgive me if my videos have been a bit all over the place. Mine's not really been on it, but he wouldn't have wanted me to sit around and mope about it, so I'm back on it and fixing up me pub, and we're going to call it Alfie's Bar, which was his name obviously. So hopefully that'll explain why the videos are a little bit sporadic and a little bit all over the place. So here we go, eyes down for a full house, as my dad would have said, because he was a bingo caller. So hope you enjoy this one. Catch you in a bit. just in case you was wondering why I'm making a bigger shed for storage, this is going to be my storage. I'll show you. This is currently my summer house. What a pile of crap.